Let's begin this exercise by selecting the line command. I'll left click on that and then left click in an arbitrary point on the drawing editor. Let's drag that line in the direction that we want it drawn and type 4.18 as its length and press the enter key. To exit the command, I'm going to right click and click on enter. Alternatively, I could have just pressed the escape key on the keyboard. Now let's make an array. Let's make a rectangular array out of this object. And let's tell AutoCAD that we want 12 rows and that we want one column. In this box we can type in the distance that we want between rows. In our case it's 0.38 units. So I'll click the OK button, and the result of course is an array that has 12 columns, or 12 rows I should say, but only one column. Let's make another array. This time I'd like to make a polar array. I'll click the Select Objects button and tell AutoCAD that I want to make an array out of this object. I'll right click and then tell AutoCAD that the center of my array is going to be this endpoint. I want AutoCAD to make two objects in this array, two objects including the original, and I want them equally spaced about an angle of 90 degrees. Let's click the OK button, and as you can see the result was this vertical line. Let's make another array. This time it will be a rectangular array. We'll click the Select Objects button and tell AutoCAD that we want to make an array out of this object. We'll tell AutoCAD that we want one row, but that we want 12 columns in that row, and that the column offset, or the distance between columns, will be 0.38. Click OK, and now the resulting grid is the result of that array. The rest of this is just simply a trimming exercise. So we'll click the Trim tool and drag a window around all of the geometry. Since there are no other objects to select, I'm going to right click and then begin trimming. Now let's pretend that this is a ribbon that will alternately weave under and over itself. So as you can see, we've completed this now. The only thing left to do is to save it. I'll click on the File pull-down menu and then click on the Save As button. I already have a file saved on my USB drive as CAD Exercise 4, which is what this exercise is. I'm going to tell AutoCAD that I want to save the file as that particular name and click on the Save button. As soon as I click on this, AutoCAD is going to give me a warning saying that that file already exists, and is really asking me to confirm whether or not I want to replace it. In my case, it's okay, so I'll click Yes.